What is up, you guys? I've been hustling all day so that I would have time to film another video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to be drilling a bunch of holes in my Porsche Cayman to install this. Not Faith, but the wing that she's holding. But I don't know if you guys can tell, there is no cars in here. We've been working all day. The whole garage was full of cars. So my Cayman is actually over in a different part of town in another storage spot that I have. So we need to go pick that up really quick and bring it back and get to work. Okay, I think we're gonna take the Ram tonight. What do you think, Sal? You wanna come? Do something. Go get it. Let's go. Guy, where are you going?
Sal, come back.
Truck's right here.
Sal.
First pit stop of the night is Walmart. I'm hoping that Walmart has drill bits. We will see, I guess. Man, parking this thing is such a chore. Oh. I think that's good. Ooh, we got plenty of drill bits. I happen to know that the majority of my drill bits I already have are broken and or lost. So I'm gonna go with this big titanium set. That should cut through metal, no problem. Don't fall, don't fall. All right. Okay, we got the drill bits. Next stop, we gotta go pick up the Cayman. You guys that have been subscribed to my channel or James's for a long time, you remember this garage. I still rent some spots down here, so that's where the Cayman is. And yes, my truck does fit by like 1 inch. You got it? You okay?
Yeah.
Nice. You gotta scoot the seat way up. All right, Faith's gonna take over the truck, and we're gonna take the Cayman. All right, we got a cold start up on a 2008 Porsche Cayman S. Quick side note, we wrapped that RS6. Cool, huh? Hey look, an Audi R8. Nice. Oh, gotta watch out for my drink. While we're in here, might as well check our oil level. Oh, we got 30 seconds. You guys may see, do you guys see like on my little LCD display, I have like a million little dead pixels. Do any of you out there that may have Porsche experience or have Caymans or anything, do you guys know how to fix that? Obviously you can't fix it once a pixel's dead, but like, have any of you ever replaced a little screen or do you have to do the whole gauge? I'm kind of used to it, but it's slowly growing over time. When I got it, it was like 3 pixels and now it's huge. So, I don't know, if any of you know how to do that, message down below. Okay, moment of truth, let's see our oil level. Ooh, it's super low. All right, good thing we're here, I'm gonna add some oil. Okay, so I've never done anything like this to a car before, so we're gonna be figuring it out together. All I know is that the kit came with this big ducktail wing. It came with some bolts and washers and like these little caps of some sort, and then these templates. I'm pretty sure these are templates. So let's try to figure this out. And I got my trusty sidekick here. We're gonna figure it all out together. So Faith's job first off is protect this gorgeous wrap that you did. We wrapped the car last week, so we gotta protect this. I think I'm gonna put down a huge layer of masking tape here in the back, probably from like here to here. That way it doesn't scrape it up. I know I'm gonna be drilling through it anyways, but I don't know, I'm kind of anal like that. So let's throw some tape down. It's gonna look kind of like that. So I don't know, put tape from here down. Got it? Got it. While Faith masks that off, I'm gonna grab my drill bits here and find the right size. So here's my thought process. So this, obviously it has the bolts on the sides for like the big wing uprights, but on the bottom side, if you look, it's got like the riv nuts already put inside. So basically I gotta drill 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 holes in the deck lid there. And this is my template right here. So I'm pretty sure this is my template. I think we put this down, kind of mark it off, and then we get drilling. And I think that template there is for underneath. I think I gotta drill through the bottom. That way I can actually screw those screws up through. So that's kind of my thought process there, but let's do it. So I think I found the right size drill bit here. It's got a crazy size. It's 15/64. I didn't know they made drill bits that size, but I think that's good. The way I figured that out is I basically just put the bolt at the end right there, and this bit is just a tad bigger than these. So that means the hole I drill will fit this screw, and the screw will fit in just nicely. If we need to go bigger later, obviously we have more. And then I think I'm going to drill a pilot hole with this little itty bitty one. Because we have drill bits, we're also gonna need a drill, and I happen to be charging the batteries all day, so this thing's ready to go. So like I said, I've never done anything like this before. I've never drilled into a car before, so I'm a little bit on edge. I'm a little paranoid, but I think this is a really, really good starter project for me to start tearing into this car. I have some crazy plans that I would love to achieve with this car, and I think this is the beginning. One last thing that I forgot we need to do before we start drilling holes to get the fitment just right is we need to remove this stock wing right there. So I've never posted a video about this, but removing the stock wing, just the top part, not the hydraulic or whatever mechanism that is, just the top part is extremely easy. There's a bunch of little screws right here I'm removing, then you remove the painted piece on top. There's two 10mm bolts, you undo those, the wing pops right off. And like I said, I just removed all those little screws. The top part pops right off, we can set that aside. And then it exposes these bolts. I said just a second ago they're 10mm. I was completely wrong. I don't know what I was thinking. They're actually 13mm. Once you unscrew those two 13mm bolts, they come right out. We dropped them back down. Now we have to unplug it so that they don't come back up at like 60 miles an hour or whatever speed they come up, because the ducktail wing is going to be sitting right in here nice and flush. Now, if you guys have never torn apart your Cayman and know anything about it, the connection piece to undo these is actually behind this part. And I've already ripped the whole thing out, but actually if you lift this carpet up, just like that, you can feel around in there and feel the electrical connections, and you just unplug it. Basically popped one end, pulled it with the cord, and popped the other with my thumb, and it came undone. So I'm just gonna shove that back underneath the carpet so it won't rattle around. Now I know the wing is not gonna pop up at speed.
Okay guys, so we have a template that is supposed to fit on this thing somehow. And then these little holes are what the bits are going through. Anyways, so...
She doesn't know what she's talking about.
I'll do it. We're gonna tape this bad boy down.
We're getting this thing locked down so it doesn't move at all. We definitely do not want to drill holes in the wrong places.
Focus.
That looks pretty spot on.
Thanks.
You always got to measure a bunch of times and then drill the holes or cut just one time. You definitely do not want to mess up. So I'm going to measure each hole and make sure they're all uniformly well, this one is equal to that one from the edge, just to make sure. I'm super nervous right now.
Boy, I'm so nervous.
Yeah.
How you feeling?
Extremely nervous. I don't, let's do it. you guys ready? We're gonna drill a hole in my Porsche.
I'm not ready.
Oh man.
There's no going back now.
There's no going back. My nerves are through the roof right now, guys. My heartbeat is going crazy. Well, one done. We got 6 more to go.
Let's get to it.
My heart's still beating a mile a minute. All right, next one. Okay, now we drilled all those pilot holes. We can take off the template. We can drill the holes bigger now. Now we're gonna drill them bigger. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Like butter.
Oh man.
Moment of truth right here. We got the bolt that we're gonna be using. Okay, it barely fits, so I'm actually gonna bump up to a bigger size drill bit. Bump the drill bit up to a 1/4 drill bit, and let's get drilling. So we just finished drilling the holes in the top, which was absolutely nerve-wracking for the both of us. But we succeeded, we powered through, we got these holes done. Next thing is we need to drill even bigger holes on the bottom side here. So I'm gonna make a pilot hole with the drill bit, and then we'll drill them out to 3/4 of an inch, and then we can plug these up later once the wing is bolted on.
Did you get that, folks? Because I didn't.
All right, we popped through the bottom side, check it out. Perfect.
Oh yeah.
So I just drilled this big hole on the bottom here with my step drill, but I ran into something. If I go all the way deep into like 3/4 of an inch like hole size, I'm actually gonna puncture another hole through the top. So I think I'm gonna leave it at this size here, and just kind of leave it open. I also can't go any further because of the plastic trim. So I think we're good there. It's all about weight reduction. Look at all this metal I'm shaving off. Nice.
I believe what he's doing right now is sanding down the hole for some reason.
That is correct. And the reason is there's a bunch of burrs that will cut you.
Oh, okay.
I have Rust-Oleum Automotive Enamel Gloss Black, stops rust. That's what we're gonna use. I have this little like paint stick here with like a little fuzzy tip. I'm gonna spray it in my cap, and then I'm gonna paint it on all of the bare metal on this side and this side, just to make sure it doesn't rust. Okay, you guys ready to test fit this thing? Let's do it. Hopefully, all the holes we drilled line up. That one looks good. I think we're pretty much pros at this. All right, moment of truth. Let's see. Dang. That's sweet. I love it. What do you guys think of this new ducktail wing on the back of my Cayman? I am absolutely in love. Obviously, it's just bare fiberglass right now. I need to like sand it down, prime it, and paint it black, and then wrap it. But that is a kind of a long process, so I'm gonna save that for another video. Thank you guys so much for watching yet another one of my videos. Please stay tuned for more Cayman build videos and more of my day-to-day activities running businesses in the city of Park City, Utah. We will see you guys in the next video.